In this video, I will show you how to see your TikTok stats. Tracking TikTok or tracking your TikTok analytics is essential if you want to understand the impact and reach of your contents. Now, if this is something that speaks to you, you've come to the right place. To check your TikTok analytics and stats, you'll need to upgrade to a pro account. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't allow regular users to access to its analytics section yet. So you should switch today if you're out there to promote a brand and are still using a standard account. In order for you to switch to a business account, all you have to do is to head over to your profile page and click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right hand corner of the screen. This will open your settings page. The next thing you have to do is to go to the Manage My Account section. Once you tap on that, you just have to click on the switch to business account and follow the steps provided. You have to choose the type that best matches your content. You have to verify your email to finish the upgrade, and if you can access your mailbox at the time, you can choose the use phone option to receive a text message instead. So that's all it takes. Once everything has set up to you, you can access your analytics page by following the steps below. You're on your mobile or on your desktop, you just have to go to your profile on TikTok and then tap on the three horizontal lines in the upper right hand corner. The next thing you have to do is to tap on the creator tools on the next screen and you'll see the analytics section. You just have to tap gain access to your analytics and stats. Once everything is done, you'll have access to four types of data in your analytics: account overview, content insights, follower insights, and live overview. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helps you out.